Usually when I'm ready to start writing a class of this magnitude, like the rational number class, I'll start 2 programs right off the bat. One of them I'll have be my actual class, and then the other one, I'll just have that be the tester program so that I'll have them sitting kind of side by side here. So, and that's easy to do. I'm in JGrass right now, but you can also do this in Eclipse or whatever you're using. I'm sure it has the same capabilities. Um, and I usually try to uh, call my tester program something that I know which one I'm testing, which class I'm testing, just to keep things straight. So this is going to be the one with the public static void main with the typical, and and then I just start kind of working side by side and I test things as I go. And this is a stylistic thing, but I would recommend it. It's a nice way to keep your thoughts straight. So what I might do is I might make my constructors first, and I might make a rational constructor like this. And then I'd think about, oh, what did I say my instance variables would be? So notice how I have over here, sitting on the side, I have my UML that we discovered in the last video. That's what I kind of use as my guide. And so again, do not discount the importance of comments. So remember to always put comments in. So that's where I would start out, is I'd start out by commenting the purpose of this, and I would type every single possible thing in that I could think of. And then down here when I start coding, I would just think about what I wrote up in my UML. So I might start out like that. And then I might just write numerator is going to be 0, and I would never make the denominator 0 because that caused bad things to happen, but a typical denominator might be 1. And then I might even just go ahead over here and set that up right away and see how that works all by itself. So as I'm writing it, I'm testing it. There. And then I would go ahead and save both of those. I'm just going to save them right here onto my desktop. Then I'm ready to go ahead and try it out and see what happens. So I see that my class ran fine. There's no errors in there. And so did my tester. So far it looks okay. Sometimes I'd even write one of my methods to start out with. So I might write the toString method or something like that to start out with, because now it'll help me debug it. So maybe this method is just going to print out the rational number in reduced form, like, well, maybe not in reduced form, because maybe the user doesn't always want it in reduced form. We'll make them reduce it if they want it reduced. So we'll just have them print out the rational number in A over B format. So that would be sending no parameters. And it's going to return a string. And then it's going to be the shortest little method ever. All right. And I'm just going to return numerator. And this is, you can make yours look much nicer than this. This is just a a short little program to get you started. So now when I'm testing it, I might just say, put in a print line of R1 dot toString. And if I were you, I would make it look much nicer than that, but this will help me debug it because now down here I can see it. So before I even get started, I would go through and I would put in comments like this to describe the methods. And don't forget, you want mutator methods, you want accessor methods, and then you want all these methods in addition.